been a while since they've caught you buying wheels and test fitting. And now we're back. The cycle repeats. You gonna throw a 205 on that?
Yeah, from the back. But this is future reference.
Oh, easy. You could go me and Justin spec tire.
So yeah. I don't even know. I wasn't rolling around on this today, but I don't even think it's worth it.
Oh, like look wise?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I still want to see this on the ground though.
Look good. Oh.
That could actually roll if I just grab it right here.
Dude, it looks sick. You need a full set. Me and Justin talked about it. We're only doing full sets in 2022.
No, I'm trying to find a full set.
Even though I'm a fraud because I don't have a full set. Well, I do, but.
I'm trying to find a set that's another 50.
Dang, dude. This looks nice. The 215-45s don't even look bad with all four. Even though we're on full sets for 2022, I don't mind this one. We are back with more IS300 content. Finally putting the Shirtstuckedin Nardi wheel paired with a Works bell hub, paired with the Never Content Works bell quick release, and then a battle something, cruise control, relocator. All for drift prep and to make this interior look just a little bit nicer. Do a little bit of this.
I don't really know if I'm gonna get the carbon back.
Oh, I actually have to get this one. Fuck! Oh, there you go. Thank God. I'm tired. So put this in. Nice. And then tuck these in.
Oh, for your light. That's right.
This is the airbag resistor.
The resistor, yeah.
Sick. That shit not straight though. That shit not straight either though. I guess we'll lean more left. Hey, in theory, if everything is connected and I get something metal,
you should be able to hit your horn.
yeah, so nothing's happening.
Is it battery hooked up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Still nothing?
No. I'd be screaming. I'm hungry.
Touch the two of them together.
Touch tips.
These two?
Yeah.
Oh, damn it. Something's supposed to be happening, right?
Grab the horn and plug the horn up to the wire, and then put the blue one that you've got there just to the ground on the hub, and then press the horn.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
It worked. So connect the ground to the quick release and connect the horn to the quick release and honk.
Nothing.
Yeah.
So it worked before the quick release. It's not working after the quick release. There's
Correct.
something not right with the quick release.
All right.
I just put that base back on with like one bolt in it.
If it doesn't honk, I love you.
You have no faith. All right, moment of truth. Woo! Woo! You don't love him, dog. You don't love you, Trenton. Fuck yeah. Get the fuck out of the way, bitch.
No, we just gotta mount it up. All right, cool.
Sick. Oh. Oh.
Is it flush?
Oh! Woo! Oh,
yeah,
fuck
flush.
yeah!
Put the little finisher piece.
Fuck yeah! Woo! So good! So good!
Sick.
Fuck yes!
Honk it.
Thank God. I need to actually connect it and make sure it honks. For real though. Oh, fuck yeah! Oh, what? I'm making sure it doesn't come off when I drive.
Yeah, especially when you're drifting and you hit a hard left and
Yeah.
your window's open, the shit flies out.
That's pretty good. But...
Yeah.
All right, cool.
All you gotta do is just connect your battery and clean up. We're good.
Yeah. You driving yourself?
Yeah, I'm just gonna drive.
Packing a ride with you? Actually, no. You want to ride with me? I'm gonna drive this.
As long as everything's connected good.
Yeah. Cool.